can you put this in here for me? I'm doing a disclaimer. Disclaimer, I don't have any makeup on because I don't feel like putting it on today. And I haven't brushed my hair since like 7 this morning, so.
But when this camera comes on, we automatically implement the judgment-free zone.
Yes.
So there is no judging.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yes, something cool.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as HotmessmommaMD, and this is my beautiful daughter, Haley, who as well has her own YouTube channel, which will be linked in the description box down below. But as you saw by the title of this video, this is the Mother versus Daughter
Sephora Play Edition.
This is where we take the monthly Sephora Play bags and we put them up against each other to see who got the better bag. Now, if you are new to Sephora Play, what it is a monthly subscription. You get like, oh, the battery went low. We're gonna have to make this one quick. But what you get is little sample size products. It's $10 a month plus tax, so like $10.60 a month. And let's go ahead and get right into it.
Hey, first thing you see when you open it up, you get your 50 points, and this card is like so cute.
I was just gonna say I love the pink. So now Haley did figure out that this 50-point bonus point perks. Oh, I don't want to look. I don't want to look. You can actually use this online, but just know if you do decide to put it in the promo code section online, you can't use another promo code. Like, this is the only one you can get.
And you also have to spend like $20.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Okay, hurry, go.
Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. It's just plastic.
I was going to say, is yours open?
Mine is open, and my first item is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-Hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. Oh, Haley and I got it. I can't remember if we put a profile. We do profiles for this. Yeah. Okay. So I actually do like this, and I have used it.
Oh,
no,
cool.
I haven't used that. I used the yellow one, the one that's been around for a decade. So I'm excited to try this one, as long as the ingredients are good. Go ahead.
Well, we have the same one, so it's right.
Okay. Ooh, I've been wanting to try this. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place and Makeup in the shade 2-in-1 Desert Beige. And I do believe it may just match me. Did you get that too?
No.
Oh, girl. Okay. Yay for this.
Okay, so my first item that isn't the same as Mom's is this Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. And it's the little
okay, can I give you guys my thoughts on that? I do like this one.
Yeah, they're expensive.
They're expensive, and you can get the little gold ones from Amazon, much less expensive. I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. And I actually got that too.
My next item is the Daisy Marc Jacobs perfume sample.
I got the Dolce & Gabbana, the only one sample, so.
It's very floral.
Ooh, I like that. That smells nice. That smells like,
Floral flowers.
I had a shower gel that smelled like that.
Oh my god, that sounded like it would have hurt your wrist.
I like
Oh,
that.
I like yours better.
Ooh, I like them both. They're good. Okay.
Can you speak?
No, I cannot. I just had an aneurysm or something. I don't know.
Okay, so my next item is the
Ooh.
Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes Intense eyeliner.
Nice.
And it's in the color Intense Ebony.
Wow, that's full size.
Full size, yeah.
That's awesome.
That's what I got excited about.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yes.
That's really good. Okay, so I've gotten this so many times.
Oh my
this
gosh,
is,
I love that.
do you?
Yes.
The Claudel, is that how you say it?
I don't know.
No, Claudel, whatever that is. Don't know if you guys can see that. It is a cream sherbet, moisturizing sherbet. Is it for your face?
Yeah.
Is it?
I use
Apply
it.
in the evening to your face and either by itself or with your serum. Oh, okay.
I don't know what this is.
I don't know either.
And then my next thing is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow Face Cream with Vitamin Fruit Complex.
Well, that's good.
Yes. Oh my goodness, wow, so bougie. It even has a little seal and oh, so cool. That's good.
I don't know if I smell that or the Marc Jacobs. Something smells really good.
Yes, I like that. So I'm excited to try it.
Well, that's good. Okay, so my last item is a Bite Beauty in the shade Maple. Holy guacamole, that's dark.
I got the same one. I was really excited about that.
Did you really?
Yeah, I miswatched mine.
We almost got the exact same thing of everything.
Ooh. Look, that's gorgeous. That's
okay, so
their lipsticks are really good too.
Yeah, I do like their lipsticks. Hold on, I want to focus. So your thoughts?
I'm really excited about my bag. I really like Bad Beauty lipstick, so I'm super excited about that. The perfume is meh. I'm excited about the little eye things. The eyeliner, excited about that. I don't really use pencil eyeliners though, but maybe I can try and wing it because the tip was pretty pointed.
Wing it?
Yeah. The Clinique, I'm excited about that. I don't think I've tried a Clinique product that I don't like. And I'm excited about this because I think it said it's all natural, so that's pretty cool.
Now bag-wise, who do you think won? I honestly kind of feel like yours did.
Oh, okay.
I was
gonna say
like,
tie. I like
well, yeah, I guess you could say tie,
yeah.
But I would have loved to have switched this for her eye pencil.
Oh, yeah.
Because I love black eye pencils. So I am overly, though, honestly, I'm happy with my bag. All the products and everything. I mean, I feel like I'll use a majority of everything in here. Probably not this one, but you know what I'm saying. Oh,
I feel like if you dab it, like...
Yeah, I could go like that nice, natural, like flushed look. I wonder if you can use that as blush. Dab a little on your cheek.
Yeah, like that would be like... Oh, I've already rubbed it all out. I can't get it out. I don't know. Yeah, no, it won't work. Put it on back.
It's not coming off. Okay guys, so that's going to be all for today's video. Thank you so much for joining and staying till the end. We tried to make it a quick video. Because my battery's low and it's about to cut out, I'm not going to do a notification squad shout out, but thank you guys for joining. Please make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to check Hailey's channel out. Also, if you are new and just stopping by this channel, I did start a second channel that is all like vlog related, lifestyle, keto lifestyle, all kinds of good stuff over there, which will be down in the description box down below as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll have that scrolling down below. Anyways, I'm going to put a video right through here and a little icon. You can click on my face, get subscribed to my channel. If you click that notification bell 2 times, I typically do what's called notification squad, but my battery light popped on and it's gonna cut out soon. So yeah. So anyways, thanks again for joining us. We greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to check out our channels and all that good stuff. I'm all over the place. It's been a long day, guys. Anyways, until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.